Hi, welcome to the Sacral Energy Center, Sacral Chakra activation. We are going to be leading you through a guided meditation, which is led by medical intuitive Taylor Epstein, and a visual painted intuitive meditation by me, Justine. So get your supplies ready, anything you have, or if you just like to watch with us, go for it too. I hope you enjoy this. If you like intuitive painting and you like guided meditations and you want to enhance more of your intuitive creativity and go deeper into this, be sure to like and subscribe and email me. The email is below so I can connect with you further and help you expand your creativity to a whole. So to begin, I recommend just getting really grounded and centered in yourself so you can close your eyes and then open your eyes when you're ready to view the meditation visually and listen to it simultaneously. And remember, you're also welcome to paint along with the guided meditation, and be sure to email me and share how this experience is for you in the comments below.
Okay, go for it. All right. So let's start by feeling your feet firmly planted on the ground or your seat in the chair that you're on. And first and foremost, making sure that we're super comfortable. Your spine is lengthy, shoulders are soft down the back. And again, just placing your hands on your low abdomen. And if that gets uncomfortable, just sliding them down your legs for the duration. So honoring and igniting, recognizing sacral energy center, Svadhisthana in Sanskrit. And let's take a deep, full breath in through your nose. And exhale, just sigh it out. Again, deep, full breath in, filling up your hands. So breathing all the way down. And then exhale, let it go. Once more. Now, flushing the whole body, bring the breath all the way down and out through your feet. Honoring first energy center, and then exhale, let it go. Gently sealing your lips. Allow your jaw to relax, the tongue away from your roof of your mouth. And breathing here in this space behind your hands. Recognizing that this is the center, the birth of all creation. With our hands, an extension of our heart, holding here with unconditional love for all experiences, past, present, future, all time, spaces, all places. Sitting here in the sacral energy center, imagine that you're sitting on a beach. And close to the water's edge, you watch the water flow in on the inhale and gently recede back out on the exhale. And breathing the tide in. And then exhale, it washes back out to this vast ocean. Breathing the water element in, and it comes up just up till your hands. Nice warm water, it flows back out. Inhaling, breathing the water element in, flows up to cover your sit bones, just underneath your navel, receding back out. Take a few more deep breaths here, just enjoying this water coming up to kiss you, your lower body, and then exhale, flow back out to the vastness of all that is. while sitting here, gazing up now at the horizon, just using your imagination, a bright, bright orange ball of sun is floating maybe a few feet up from the horizon, just moments before sunset. And with your eyes closed, you can see this bright orange behind your eyelids, still sitting in the place of your pelvis, your womb. So staying present here, filling this space with this bright orange sunset, glistening out across the water, warming your face, warming and nourishing every single cell of your body. Continuously coming back to the center of your womb, and the space of ocean flow coming in and out, bright, warm orange out over the ocean, its vastness, its infinite potential. You sit here with the notion of wondering what you can birth next, relationally, creatively, how you can bring this inspiration to physical manifestation. And allowing this warm orange to start to flood your whole being, washing away anything not divine, anything out of judgment, anything unserving. This warm orange sunset just blasts it away. Pulling it back out into the ocean where it gets recycled for another use. Inhaling into lower abdomen, pelvis. It's fresh, new life, new light of flow, of joy, and extreme abundance. Understanding your creative potential when it comes to always providing abundance over and over and over again. Returning to your seat and the gentle flow of the ocean coming in on the inhale, and exhale, receding back out, your gift to the universe. Again, breathing in, flowing out. Breathing in, joy, abundance, creativity. Breathing out all of your divine connections and creations with the world. And slowly start to deepen your inhales, filling the whole lungs up, and exhaling, beginning to wiggle into fingers and toes, keeping your eyes closed just for a moment, finding gratitude for all of your ideas, all of your creations, all of the infinite potential of who you are. If you're comfortable reaching your arms up overhead, take a big, huge breath in. Release the jaw, exhale. Gently blink eyes open. Coming back to this space. Back to the room. Waking up. That was deep. So really stepping into, it really is infinite when we start to recognize ourselves as creative beings in so many different ways. So finding so much gratitude for that, because gratitude will continuously offer you opportunities to utilize your creativity in several different forms, and stepping into the flow of that. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go back to bed.
Justine does a lot of creation in her dreams.